Hi everyone, how are you? It's Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center. I wanted to go through how to pull your own credit because there are going to be times when you're going to contact me. Maybe you're unsure as to what your credit score is, or you have a sneaky suspicion that due to certain things in your past, your score might not be the highest. In those situations, I'll probably actually ask you to pull your own credit first. The reason being is if your credit's really high, it's not going to be a big deal if I pull your credit. It might hit it down by 1 or 2 points. But if your credit score is low, as you will note from other videos I've done on credit, if your score is low, the moment that I pull it, it's called a hard pull, and it's going to really smash your credit down hard. And the reason they do this is for people with bad credit. They don't want those people trying to obtain more credit until their credit has had time to heal. So in those situations, I'm going to get you to pull your own credit, because if you pull your own credit, it's considered a soft pull and it won't affect your score at all. Now, the website that we're going to do this on is called Equifax. And every lender uses Equifax, equifax.ca. However, some of them also use TransUnion. Now, the reason I'm not going to pull TransUnion is because every lender uses Equifax, only some of them use TransUnion. And the ones who use TransUnion usually pull both Equifax and TransUnion. So we may as well go with the one that everyone uses. Now, here's what their website looks like. There are multiple products that you can buy on here, but I want to make sure that you're on the Personal tab and you're going to press the big red button. The product that I want you to get is this one that's at the top here. If it doesn't say Equifax credit score, and if it's not around the $24 range, you have the wrong product. You're either paying too much for more information than what we actually need, or you're not paying anything at all or too less, and we're not actually going to get your score. It's also important that if you decide to do this via mail, they do have the option of your free credit report. But the problem is that's your credit report. It's not your credit score. I want the score and your report, because many lenders have certain thresholds where if you're above or below 600 or above and below 610 or above and below 650 or 680 or 700, they're going to have different products that we can take advantage of based on that exact score. And that's what I want to see. Now, when you're pulling your own credit, you will need your own credit card. If you don't have your own credit card, then you'll have to do this another way via phone or mail. But here's what you're going to have to fill out. Your general information. When you press continue on to the next page, you're going to be asked a series of security questions, and sometimes these security questions are a little tighter than needed, because even I try to pull my own credit and I can't sometimes, because these security questions are just so obscure or something that I don't even know the answers to, and therefore I fail. And you have to realize that Equifax does this because this is your personal info. If someone were to get a hold of your credit score, they would know a heck of a lot about you. And obviously we don't want that. So if you don't have a credit card, or if you find that you cannot pull your own credit, then what you're going to need to do, so just need to return back to the main page. We're going to go to the customer service tab and contact us. And there's going to be a series of numbers that you can call on here, all 1-800 numbers. I want you to call these numbers, okay? And I want you to call them and tell them that you're having trouble pulling your credit online and that you would like to get your full credit report with your score. You can do this by mail, or you can do it by phone. Obviously, phone is going to be faster, and then they will mail it to you, okay? But once you get your score, send it to me, then we can go over it together and see what your options are. But this is basically how you pull your credit, and this is exactly where I want you to go, equifax.ca. So if you have any questions about your credit, or if you've already pulled your credit score and you don't know how to read it, please give me a call. I'd be more than happy to go over it with you. And if you're unsure as to whether you can qualify for a mortgage based on your credit score, then definitely give me a call as well, and I can let you know your options, how long it'll take to fix your credit, and what to do to fix it. Or if you're ready to go today, then I can help you to get a mortgage with a lender who is a little more warm and fuzzy towards those with lower credit scores. So Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center. Hopefully I'll be talking to you soon.